Hey everyone, I'm Mark Lugo, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for design into a career, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll show you how to master architectural and vehicle modeling from scratch, taking you from beginner to pro level. Imagine creating stunning 3D models that could land you freelance gigs or even your dream job. Ready to level up your skills and unlock new opportunities? Let's dive in. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Today we're going to completely transform the look of our house by applying those photorealistic PBR materials I downloaded from Polyhaven. Remember how in the previous video we separated all our meshes by material type? Well, now all that prep work is about to pay off big time. I've got materials ready for the exterior flooring, interior floors, baseboards, chimney, and the two types of exterior walls we have. The difference these textures will make is absolutely staggering, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply them to take your project to that professional quality level we're aiming for. First things first, we need to know how to assign these materials in Blender quickly and efficiently. For this, we'll use an absolutely magical keyboard shortcut, Control plus Caps Lock plus T. But heads up, this only works if you have a Node Wrangler add-in enabled. If you don't have it activated, no worries. It's super easy to turn on. Just go to Preferences, Add-ons, and search for Node Wrangler. Check the box and you're good to go. This add-in is so useful, it should be enabled by default in all our projects. It's going to save us tons of time, not just now, but throughout our entire material workflow. Here comes an important moment. When we first apply the material, it will probably look, well, frankly, terrible. Don't panic. This is completely normal. The issue usually lies with the displacement scale that Blender sets way too high by default. The solution is magically simple. Just lower that value from 1.0 to 0.001 and boom. Suddenly everything starts making sense. This tiny adjustment can mean the difference between a texture that screams 90s video game and one that whispers, "Are you sure this isn't a real photo?" It's all in these seemingly small details. But this is just a warm-up. Now comes a good part. UV mapping. Every surface, especially our beautiful exterior planks, needs its own custom adjustment. Imagine you're installing real wood. The grain needs to flow in the right direction. The knots should be distributed naturally. This is where many projects fall short. But we're going to do it right. I'll show you how to perfectly align those textures, so the planks look like they were installed by a master carpenter. The transformation is absolutely revolutionary. Those exterior wood planks are completely changing the character of the house. Where we once had flat, boring surfaces, we now have facades with depth, texture, and that warm character only we can provide. And the best part? We're using completely free resources from Polyhaven. Isn't it amazing what we can achieve today without spending a dime? A professional secret to make those planks look even better. We'll play with the roughness parameter. A small adjustment can make the wood glisten softly in sunlight or appear more naturally matte. And here's another tip. By smartly duplicating textures, we can avoid that obvious repeating pattern that instantly gives away 3D models. We want each plank to look unique, just like in a real house. For our next video, we got exciting work planned. We'll model those interior baseboards and create modular windows we can replicate in different sizes. But today, let's focus on perfecting these materials. Look how the planks are taking shape. Every knot, every grain, every natural imperfection adds to the realism. This no longer looks like a 3D model. It looks like you could reach out and feel the wood grain. When you compare before and after at the end of this process, you won't believe it's the same model. That transformation from flat surfaces to dimensional wood planks with character is simply magical. And this is just the beginning. Wait until you see what we'll do with lighting later on. Remember, these techniques aren't just for this project. Mastering PBR materials, especially organic elements like wood, is a skill you'll use in all your future 3D work. From modern homes to rustic cabins, those plank texturing skills you're learning today will serve you again and again. So, don't miss what's coming next. If you have any questions about perfecting those planks, let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this transformation process, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss how we'll take this house to the next level. See you in the next tutorial where we'll keep pushing our model further.